Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy CRG Blue and I'm back again with another video. Alright, so in today's video I have a tutorial for you guys on how to make thumbnail maker or how to make thumbnails on YouTube using your Android or iOS device. Okay, I've made some great thumbnails myself and all of them has came from this app. So what you're going to want to do, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the App Store, type in Thumbnail Maker, find this app called Thumbnail Maker right here. The maker is Logo Pit, Logo Maker, and Graphic Design Creator. I'll look for the name for you guys right now. Hold on one second. Right here, that has this information, email, contact@logopit.net. So go ahead and download this one right here. You guys can also look at the picture and see for yourself on how it looks and which one to download. Okay, so now that you've downloaded that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it. Okay, so I've already usually what I do is I get backgrounds and what you're going to want to do is you can put sorry about that ad. You can add a picture. I'm just going to make something for you guys really quick. Here we go. Just add the picture and then you bring that picture out. Okay. And you also can add transparent images as well. So if you're also trying to make something with all your social accounts on there, then you can also use this as well. Okay, so we're gonna want to add a picture, and you can also mess with the contrast and stuff like that, sharpness, hue, gamma, brightness. There's a lot of stuff you can play with, guys. But for now, I'm going to just use no filter just to show you guys how everything works. Okay, I've added a picture. Now I'm going to go, I downloaded the transparent image of this. Okay. Usually I would get a picture of Fortnite. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and delete this and get something else. I'm going to show you guys like a good transparent image that you could use. Like right here. Okay. You can also, like I said, mess with any picture. So, however you guys want it to look, And it's also really easy. And it's free. I know a lot of apps out there cost money, but this app is totally free. You don't have to buy anything. You can get all your backgrounds offline and just mess with it like that. Add another picture just to show you guys what I mean, and I'm also going to show you guys a couple I've made as well. Okay, you can also add text. You can change how the text look. They have all these fonts in here for you as well. I'm gonna just choose something. I'm over here getting into it. You guys can also add color into the words, but that's not it, guys. You can also add them, make them 3D. Spread them out however you want it. I usually don't mess around with this stuff. I usually just keep it how it is. Line. I mean, guys, there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. I just wanted to show you guys how to make your own thumbnails for YouTube, you would have to play around with it and see what's the best option for you. Add a little 3D to it. A little blackened background. You can also add transparent images as well, like I just said, like I just added in here. And basically, guys, that's it, man. Insane, good quality thumbnails. A free app. You can't go wrong with this, guys. You really should check it out and download it, because I've made some really great thumbnails. Let me go ahead and show you guys really quick all the thumbnails I've made so far. So I made this one. I made this one. I've made this one. All from this account too. Like all from this this little thumbnail maker. I've made this one. I made this one. And you're only going to get better with time, guys. I've made this one. You know, where's another one I made? I made this one. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this, guys. But yeah, that's basically it, man. I don't want to keep you guys for too long. But this is basically how you make a thumbnail using Android and iOS. Also, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I hope you guys have a great day. It's been your boy CRG Baloo, and I'll see you in the next one.